Here's the question then. Question 5, picture, and the question. Okay, I've got it summarized here. Part A. If ever you forget the area of a sector, well, the area of a circle is pi r squared, isn't it? Which you can write as 2 pi over 2, and there's the angle for the whole circle in radians. So using that thought, the area of a sector will be half r squared theta for a sector rather than the whole circle. So that's if you just, it drops out of your memory. So area then of the sector, a half r squared theta, radius is 5, the angle in radians is 1.4, so it's 25 over 2, 1.4. 1.4 over 2 is 0.7, so it's 25 times 0.7. 17.5 centimeters squared. Type it in the calculator if you need to. B. 725 is 175, so it has to be 17.5. B. Find angle DBC. So this angle here. Cosine DBC then is equal to a squared. Well, the formula for the cosine is a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine a. So the cosine formula then from that will be b squared plus c squared minus a squared. If we move all that over there and the a squared over there, and then move the 2bc down. So this will be b squared. So in this case it's 5 squared plus the 7.5 squared minus the 6.1 squared all over 2bc. 7.5. This is 75 underneath. 10 7.5s. So we've got 5 squared plus 7.5 squared on top minus 6.1 squared equals. Now that's that answer, and if we divide that by, it'd be answer divided by 75. So we could do it like that, and then we get the decimal 0.5872, and then it's acute angle, so shift cos on that then. Shift cos of the angle, the answer 54.04. We're in degrees mode, so let's go to mode radians and put it in radians. Bracket. Cancel. Yeah, 0.5872, so shift cos. Better put it in. I wasn't in radians mode. 0.9432. 9432, which is 0.943 to 3 decimal places. So let's have a look at the question then. We've got another part here, part C, the area of the total shape to 3 significant figures, so we need to work out that area. Okay, the area of the total shape. Right, okay. So we know this is 0.943 now in here. 0.943. We know this area, so that was part A. Okay. Area. Okay. Half BC sine A for this area here, and this area is half base times height. Okay. So the let's call that alpha. This will be 5 cos alpha. And this will be 5 sine alpha. So the area, I'll put it in here. The total area is equal to half base times height, this times this over 2. So it's 25 sine alpha cos alpha over 2. Half base times height plus half BC sine A, half 5 times 7.5 times sine of 0.943 plus the area of the sector here, which is 17.5 centimeters squared. Now alpha is pi minus 1.4 plus 0.9432. Pi minus 1.4 minus 0.943. That's the value of alpha. I don't want to get that accurate in my calculator, so I'm going to do that now. Here's the most accurate, so it would be shift pi minus 1.4 minus the ants. So there's the alpha value. So now I've got 25 sine alpha cos alpha. 25 times sine times cos divided by 2 plus a half 5 times 7.5 plus a half times 5 times 7.5 times the sine of 0.9432. I'll have to put that in slightly less accurate. Close bracket. Plus 17.5 equals 38.9249. 38.9249, and it said the 3 significant figures, so there's the third significant figure, so 38.9 centimeters squared.